Welcome guys to part 2 of episode 3. Stay tuned to see if I finish up my coils today. Alright guys, we came back from the weekend. Today is finally the day my stuff can go back on my car. We still need to do a few more things. The ball joints, the rear coils out, and then everything will be ready to install. Fingers crossed, everything should go well. Alright guys, we are ready to install the upper control arms, so let's get right to it.
Growing up in Hawaii, I was born and raised in Hawaii. My dad was probably one of the only body mans on the island. So being around him, always being with my dad, there was always cars that were coming in that were just basic, and then there was cool cars that would come in and I would always be interested in them. I'd always work on them. I'd always want to drive them. I'd make car noises, pretend like I'm driving them. So it started there. Also, Fast and Furious came out at the same time that I was born. It was kind of like something that my parents would watch and I would grow up with it. Just moving here, seeing how the car scene was, I was like, this is crazy, kind of something I always wanted but didn't really know it existed. Something that you want but you don't know you have. So I just got into the car scene that way. My Instagram is Tomarnetyo. It's TOMARNETTYO. Same for, if you want to, I'm trying to start YouTube. Same thing, Tomarnetyo.
Alright guys, it's time to take off my ball joints with the ball joint remover. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Kylan. I drive a Nissan 300ZX twin turbo. It's bright, it's fuchsia, got a really big wing, and it's got 2 turbos, make it go pretty fast. I drifted a lot with Mike and some other friends. It's super low, I scrape everywhere, it sucks, but it's pretty tight. And a Chevy Silverado. I am from Torrance, California. I'm with Mike. I got into drifting because I saw this guy named Ryan Literal and Ryan Turk, and they're like going so fast down this hill. There's so much smoke, and I was like, you know what? I want to try that. And I did, and I crashed. But it was fun, and it was really worth it. So I just kept doing it and doing it. I'm not pro, but I'm not horrible at it. Shout out to my girlfriend for putting up with me.
Dating Kylan. Oh God. All you hear talk about is the wheels he wants, what color he wants his car, and what new thing he wants to do to it. I think he's too obsessed with cars.
Even if it's not his birthday, he's like, I want this.
I want this.
Can you buy me this?
His car is like his little baby, like his kid.
I got into cars because of my father. He had like a old Chevelle, he had like a 280Z, he had all these different kind of cars. I was always with him when he was working on it. He passed away when I was 9 years old, so I kind of wanted to keep it going. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be where I am today.
Alright guys, now it's time for the lower control arms.
My name's Viviana Romero. My Instagram is Vivi_R42. I'm 19 years old and I drive a 2016 Chevy Cruze, and it's been hit at least 6 times.
I'm Ashley Camadoi. I'm 19. My Instagram is ashley.camadoi. It's Kamidoi. I drive a Toyota Tundra. It's like an olive green. I didn't choose it, I promise. It was my dad's before. I didn't have a say in the color. I recently got into a bad car accident with my 2014 Ford Fusion. It wasn't my fault. It's unfortunately totaled. Now I drive a big, manly truck.
Alright, so I need a little bit of help. So I'm gonna have Shark Boy come over, and just so I can hand thread the coil. Let's get him. Shark Boy, can you come over to help me?
Rob's bolts are super weird on this one. His passenger side was really easy. The bolts came off with basic tools. So we went on the driver's side and tried to do the same thing, but everything seemed a bit softer on this. So we ended up changing out the sockets just to make sure the 12 points were not stripping him. Went over to 6 points. That didn't work. And then we even tried wrenches, open ends, close ends. We even tried to impact as last resort. That didn't even work. We even stepped down to a smaller socket. That didn't even work. So we ended up just doing an extractor on it but he has this one last bolt, this one bolt holding down his coil right now. It's not coming out. I have no idea why the driver's side is so difficult.
Alright guys, so we got everything installed. The only thing that is missing is the rears. The reason for that is because one of the bolt is stripped, which is on this side, on the driver's side. But we got the other one installed. We gotta fix this right away, so we're gonna get to it. Please, God, please, don't do this to me. I did! Yeah! I did! Mother. Okay, so we got one.
Wait, why are you gonna use that?
Oh, you're right. What should I use?
The ratchet.
That's what I was using.
Yeah, I just said take it off. I didn't say don't use that.
What the f? Wait, what do you want me to do? You're confusing me now. Oh, mother. That's off, homie. Yeah. That's on there too. That's like gripping, death gripping that bitch.
You have to hammer it out. We have a center point.
We got him.
What's up guys, today's a bad day for me. I got sick and Robert's taking forever to finish his car. He has a tendency of not finishing anything given to him. So like the bumper is still over there. He still hasn't installed it and I feel like it's gonna be the same thing for the coilovers. I've driven my car for a week now and this guy's just like on the passenger seat of my car. What about the deal? He has to finish by today. This is getting ridiculous. Oh, what the f, dude? You're f.
There's probably like 3 inches of clearance without any weight. Look at this.
I won.
Wait, you won?
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to make it.
Damn, she already resigned you.
Damn. Your car needs to go this low though.
You do have to match the load next time.
Yeah.
Moment of truth, guys. Let's see how it goes. Oh my.
What does Jay think?
I think Jay's gonna be scared because she's gonna have to match it.
Here we go.
So I think.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh my god! No way! I'm gonna die.
It clears. It clears.
I'm gonna die.
You can roll like this.
Yo, get it. Leaving today, I might die. Yo, that's tight.
Sick though.
He ain't gonna last a minute with this dude.
I don't think you could drive like this.
Head ass?
Yeah, I think you're touching uppers.
Oh,
Yeah, I think if you hit a bump, your suspension is done.
All right, guys, we finally finished. I think the car looks amazing, but it's kind of sketch right now. We might have to adjust and tweak it a little bit so it can be at least drivable. I mean, it's my daily still, so I still need to drive it. It looks good. Super excited.
So look, I get. It doesn't move. I think you're still on the lift. You can't get the car off the lift. We have to jack it up
Dead ass?
to get the arms off.
Yeah, it's all the way down.
Yeah.
Oh. So right now, I think I got this in the bag. Jay still needs to match me. We'll see how she goes. She seems pretty confident so far. She thinks she can. I think she can also, but I think I can drive it a little bit longer, but we'll see.
I'm sick and tired of Rob thinking that he's gonna win me on this. He's crazy. First of all, I do so much for him. I buy him food, take him to the gym. All of that is gone. Good luck with your low-ass car.
Oh my god. Low-key, I need a ride home. It's pouring outside. It's raining really hard. So, Jay, I'm sorry for what I said and how I made you feel. Please forgive me. All right, guys. So right now I have to jack up my car because the lifts aren't able to get out. So right now we're gonna lift it up and take the lift arms off so we can get on the road. So that is it for the final part of episode 3. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for episode 4. Sharkboy's getting his transmission rebuilt. Let's see how long it takes him to get his daily running again. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
How do you guys feel about the exhaust laws? I don't like them. You don't like them? How do you feel?
So far, no problem. Pretty sure pretty soon I'm gonna run it.
Well, my car's like a Prius too. No, it isn't. You're loud. Yours is hella loud. What are we talking about? Yeah, yours is quiet. What? Yeah, snitches over here. I feel like these laws are just like, for me it's like whatever, and I should be the most afraid. I feel like they're just like shit that we have to deal with all the time anyways.
I feel like it's always been there. It's just never as big of a deal because car people weren't as much as butt hurts before.
Yeah. Everyone has like, they wear their panties like super loose now.
Yeah, everybody has their panties in a bunch.
Yeah, you gotta take those tampons out. The summer's gonna be bad.
Oh yeah.
The summer's gonna be bad.
Oh, yeah.
This whole summer's gonna be, it's gonna be hell for all of us.
Everybody's getting their winter beaters put away so they don't have to worry about it.
No, not for November?
Oh.
Get it? Winter
beaters?
Yeah. No, but summer's gonna be hard, dude. Because everyone's gonna, everyone's gonna be wanting to smash all the time.
I mean, that's how you get winter babies.
Hey, summer's gonna be bad. Car meets, street takeovers. I mean, you guys know how I feel about it. I still blame it on the YouTubers. I know enough people in law enforcement that have said that the specific YouTubers have completely ruined it for the automotive industry. It's just like when the Fast and Furious came out back in the day. It's like people started modding the cars, loud exhaust, basically these Hondas, and then cops are starting to pull people over all the time because underglow was a big thing too. And then now it's just a repeat of what it was in the early 2000s with the car scene. The problem is like a lot of us viewers and fan base are supporting these YouTubers that support street takeovers and car meets that like encourage revving, donuts in private parking lots or like commercial parking lots, you know? But in the end, I mean, exhaust laws are exhaust laws, but you just gotta live within the rules, or you just play around the rules and just fingers crossed if you don't get in trouble.